Hello everybody. Today I will share you my profiles for Inputbridge, which I created and collected during my game tests. And a lot of you already ask if I can share my profile. But since these profiles are created for my Poco F3 screen, it might be not correctly placed on devices with other screen resolution. But I will show you later how to fix this. Alright, you are seeing here some of my profiles. I didn't import all of them, otherwise my list would be too long. So I'm just using the ones which I really use often or didn't export it yet. Except the profiles from Mishka Kolos, which came from his Telegram group, and the Spin Tiles one from Threadnet. All of them are custom made. So the general profile you are seeing here is practically for all games. I put buttons in there which is used in most games. So it's always Q, E, F, M for map, you know. And I'm setting it here, make it very invisible, so in my game test you won't see the Inputbridge controls that much. I have also one with the arrow keys. So if the game uses arrow keys, you can use that profile instead. And otherwise it's the same. Okay, and then here is my profile for the truck simulator. You won't understand it because it's in German, so you have to translate it by yourself. I don't have it in English, but if you select the buttons, you will see the key for it. So what have you to do if you import a profile from mine? So if you select something like Binding of Isaac, don't forget, before you open the controls, click on Repair Old Profile. So it will readjust it for your display screen. It might be still be wrong if you have a lower resolution. So you have to reorder it again. And if you have a larger display screen than mine, like a tablet something, it may be too high above, so you have to put it down a bit. So that's it. Have fun.